Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make money on Squarespace. Squarespace provides an excellent platform for entrepreneurs and creatives to build a profitable online presence. We'll explore various avenues, from setting up a thriving e-commerce store to offering your unique services directly to clients. You can also leverage your content, turning your passion into a steady income stream. Get ready to unlock the full potential of your Squarespace site and start earning today. One of the most direct ways to earn on Squarespace is by selling products. You can easily launch an online store for physical items, from handmade jewelry to custom apparel. Beyond tangible goods, consider digital products like ebooks, templates, or exclusive online courses. If you offer services, Squarespace allows you to showcase your expertise and even manage client bookings directly. Imagine, clients can schedule a 30-minute consultation or a 2-hour design session right from your site. The application process requires a steady hand and careful steps. First, ensure your lips are prepped and moisturized, creating a smooth canvas. Next, use a lip liner to meticulously outline your chosen design, establishing clear boundaries for your art. Then, with your fine brushes, carefully fill in the colors, building up layers as needed. Finally, add any intricate details or embellishments, taking your time to achieve the desired effect with precision. To maximize your earnings, optimizing your Squarespace site is key. Ensure your website is search engine optimized so potential customers can easily find you. High-quality product images and clear, compelling descriptions are essential for converting visitors into buyers. Always prioritize excellent customer service to foster trust and encourage repeat business. Finally, regularly review your sales data and website analytics to understand what's working and continuously refine your approach for sustained growth.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.